traveling harmonic wave on a string is described by yxt is equal to 7.5 sine 0.0050x plus 12t plus pi by 4. What are the displacement and velocity of oscillation of a point at x is equal to 1 centimeter and t is equal to 1 second? Is this velocity equal to the velocity of wave propagation, right? So see here, y is equal to 7.5. First we have to find displacement. So 7.5 sine x is equal to 1 and t is equal to 1. So 0.0050 plus 12 plus pi by 4. So y is equal to 7.5 sine 12.0050 plus pi by 4, right? Now see, pi by 4 means 3.14 upon 4, so that value is 0.785 plus 12.0050, so that is 12.79. So is equal to 7.5 sine 12.79, right? So 7.5, so see, this is in radian. Now into 180 upon pi 3.14. So now this is in degree, right? To find from radian to degree, we have to multiply by 180 and divide by pi. So 733 point here 733.18. So that is equal to 7.55 into sine value. Now sine 733.18, that value is 0.2280, right, into 7.55. So that is 1.7214. So this is our y, right, in centimeter. See, now first of all 733.18, how you are going to find that value? So you can subtract that value by 4 pi or you can subtract from 2 pi, right? So 733.18 minus 360, so that is again 373, again minus 360, right, 4 pi, so 13.18, right? 4 into 180, that is 720. 720 minus 733.18, so that is 13.18. So sine 13.18 is nothing but 0.22. So you can find that way also, right? Because we can subtract this 733.18 from 720, so it will be same as this value. So this is our y displacement. Now velocity. So to find velocity, we have to differentiate this equation of y. So 7.5 into omega, right? Where is omega t? So this is omega, because differentiation with respect to time. So into 12 and then cos. See, I am writing this formula again. X is equal to 1, t is equal to 1, right? So that is again 12.79, right, similar, and that is again 733.18, right? So 7.5 into 12, that is 90, into cos. Now similar manner, see, you have to write cos 733.18 minus 720, right? So 733.18 minus 720, that is 13.18. So 90 into cos 13.18. Now you can easily find, right, with the help of cosine table. If you don't have cosine table, you can convert this into sine also. If you want to convert this into sine, so sine 90 minus 13.18, right? So sine 90 minus 13.18, so that whatever that value you can directly find. So this value is 90 into 0.9 0.9736. 0.9736 into 90 is 87.62. So our speed, I am writing here that value v is equal to we got that value is 87.69, and that is centimeter second inverse, right? So these are the velocity and displacement at x is equal to 1 and t is equal to 1 second. Is this velocity equal to the velocity of wave propagation? Now wave propagation velocity, see, remember this term 87.69. Now wave propagation velocity, v formula is omega upon k. Omega is 12 and k, from this equation omega is 12 and k is 0.0050. So 12 upon 0.005, so that is 2400 centimeter, right? It is a centimeter second inverse. So it is completely different, because earlier it was 87 something centimeter second inverse. So they are not equal. Now you can also find for x is equal to 1 centimeter, t is equal to 2 second, x is equal to 1 centimeter, t is equal to 5 second, x is equal to 1 centimeter, t is equal to 11 second. In a similar manner, right, you can also find y for all this data.